So we just got our whole chicken here. We're gonna pat or dry just a little bit for ease of handling. Then we're gonna cut around the thigh and the leg, separating the breast from basically the rest of the body. We're going to trim off any fat that's not going to be desirable for the finished product. Here you can get a little better view. We're trimming up from the bottom up around the leg, and then we're going to try to separate the rib cage and roll that back to about the shoulders. Now we're going to get ready to flip it, and there you can see we're going to try to pop those shoulders, just get it to lay as flat as possible. And we're going to cut off that neck skin because we really don't need that. And then because my bird only had one wingtip, we're going to cut the other one off just to make it look nice. And then we're going to just pat it dry and get ready for the seasoning. Today we're using a simple domino rub I call my Bear Love. It is 2 parts of coarse black pepper and 1 part of kosher salt. What is a part? A part is a tablespoon or whatever you want it to be. So if you use 1 tablespoon of kosher salt, then you use 2 tablespoons of coarse black pepper. We want to get the meat side and the skin side. Alright, so she's done. Oh my goodness, look at that. Oh, that looks gorgeous. Let's double check here. 166. That means this here is 199. All right. All right, y'all. So that cook was pretty cool. Not much to say about it. I mean, it's pretty neat when you open the lid and you see that weird-looking chicken, that frog chicken. But I'm actually making this for somebody else, so there's not really going to be a taste test because it's going to get moved over to this other person's house. So hope you enjoyed it. Have a great one. Kevin at Man Kitchen Recipes, go check him out. He's the one who inspired me with his video. Link to that video will be in the description. Rock on, y'all. Have a great week. And remember, there's 2 rules in cooking. Did you have fun? Did it taste good? Rock on. Y'all are awesome. Have a great week.